let's solve for the value of m, given that m plus 1 is equal to m. Well, our first step will be for us to square both sides. So on the left, I have m plus 1. I'll square the lefts equal to, on the right, I have m, and I'll also square the right. Now notice that the left-hand side is of the form a plus b all squared, which when expanded yields a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Now if you have to compare, you see that our a is same as m and our b is same as 1. So we're going to be expanding this in this form. So this becomes m squared plus 2 times m times 1 plus 1 squared. And this is equal to m squared. Now simplifying the left hand side, we have m squared plus 2 times m times 1 is 2m plus 1 squared is 1. And this is equal to m squared. Now notice that m squared is on the left hand side and it is also on the right. But I have to move m squared to the right so that we have remaining on the left 2m plus 1 to be equal to, I've already got m squared here, so this is m squared, and I'll move this m squared to the right, making it minus m squared. So this is further simplified into 2m plus 1 to be equal to m squared minus m squared is 0. Now let's move 1 to the right hand side so that we have 2m remaining on the left to be equal to, as 1 crosses to the right, it becomes negative 1. And to get the value of m, we just have to divide both sides by 2. Now notice that this 2 cancels out this 2, leaving behind m to be equal to negative 1 all over 2. Now let's check if this value of m is actually correct. We've got our solution for m to be negative 1 over 2. Now let's plot that here. So this is negative 1 over 2 plus 1 equal to negative 1 all over 2. We're expecting the left hand side to be equal to the right. Now on the left, I can just put over 1 here, and I'll take the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1, plus 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1 is 2. So we're checking if I'm going to be having the same thing on the right, which is negative 1 over 2. Now on the left, negative 1 plus 2 is 1, all over the denominator, 2. So this is equal to negative 1 over 2 on the right. Now look at it. The left hand side is positive, while the right hand side is negative, so they are not equal. So that means m is not equal to negative 1 all over 2, which means there is no solution. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.